Hello everybody, welcome back to the workshop. So today I wanted to talk a little bit about spring clips or tong clips and their uses. So here before me I've got two different styles of tong clips that you most commonly find out there. This is a simple in-house thing that you can make. It's just a piece of 1/4-inch rod wrapped around in kind of a pretzel slash C shape, and it fits over the end of the tong reins fairly easy. And I'll try to demonstrate that here. So it essentially just slips over the tong reins like you see, and it holds the reins closed for you and holds the material, so this way you don't have to squeeze on it. These are just another variation. They're a little more closed in, so you have to slip them in from the end and slip them up the tong stock that way to hold it, so they hold up here a little closer to the actual fulcrum point. And then last but not least, you have these type here. Now these you can buy commercially manufactured. It's a fairly popular design to take and have laser cut out, water jetted, things of that nature. These here are probably my least favorite out of all the tong clips. So, you know, I would go with something like this. It has less prone to being slipped off. This here is more universal in the shop, so I like these pretty well. But they do have a problem of popping off the tongs. If you happen to squeeze the tongs by under a power hammer or something, that can cause quite a bit of pain real quick as that tong kind of pops loose and hits you in the hand. And then it can also cause a pinch too if you try to re-grip the piece. That's just something that I have found on it. Obviously, if it's more closed in, it's not going to do that on you. These here, they have their advantages and then they have their disadvantages. One of their big advantages, if you get them for the right size hole there, is they have quite a bit of gripping options. Everything from a real light grip all the way down to really clamping down heavy. So that is nice, where these are just kind of a static grip unless you slide them up or down the tong reins themselves. So that's there, and then I'm going to show you a third type that is my personal favorite. Now these are my personal favorite. I've seen them for years on some different tong styles and stuff, and they are an integral tong clip. Now this isn't always the possibility. They stay with the tong, so it's not universal. They're only meant to be worked with one size tong. So say this one here holds 2-inch by 1/4-inch flat stock. This is meant to have a set amount of tension that when this tong clip goes on there, it holds that material beautifully. So you know, if you're smaller than that, now the tong clip won't work. So that is a pitfall of these tong clips here. But these have been the most secure that I have found to stop any sort of this thing popping off, and you don't have to hunt the tong clip. Because if these drop off on the floor somewhere in the dirty blacksmith shop, now they're hard to find. At least on my shop floor they are. Maybe you keep better shop than I do. But they're very difficult to find. This, it stays with the tongs all the time, and I think it adds a little bit of visual interest as well to the tongs. So I have some videos out on this already of forging an integral tong clip, and I'll put a link to that in the description down below and at the end card here. Let me know what you thought of this video. If you liked it, remember to give it a big thumbs up. And like always, God bless you, and we will catch you on the next one. Thanks for watching.